Hi everyone, so today I'm going over the classwork for Monday, June 8th. This is the last week of school, so make sure you're getting in as many missing assignments as you can, because anything you do will improve your grade that you already have, so it's really important to just get as much done as you can. So the first thing I want you guys to do is watch these two YouTube videos. They'll kind of explain how to answer these problems, and I'll also now go over, I think I'm going to do number 7 and number 8. So the directions are: state the triangles in each pair are similar. If so, state how you know they are similar and complete the similarity statement. So first, let's just figure out if these are similar or not, and then I'll get into how to complete the similarity statement. So for number 7, first thing, let's label our corresponding sides. So the longest side here is the 84. That's this one. Actually, let me try and do that a little bit better. That's this one right here. So this side matches this side. Now the shortest side is the 42 on this triangle, so this side would match the 15 over here. And then last one, let's make it green. This side right here would have to match this side right here. Okay. So basically we're saying, are these sides proportional? So we have to check each one. Let's do big over small just for simplicity. So is 70 over 25 what does that equal? What is 70 divided by 25? So let's see. I'll actually use this character. So 70 divided by 25, 2.8. Okay. So I need this. So 2.8. What we need is we need them all to be the same in the end to get the same number. So 70 divided by 25 gives you 2.8. That means that 84 divided by 30 should give you the same thing. So let's see if it does. $84 divided by 30. So what's 84 divided by 30? $2.8. Okay. So this is looking pretty good. We just gotta check the pink one just to make sure that we're absolutely certain that these triangles are similar. So let's see. This one we need to do 42 divided by 15. 42 over 15. What does that give us? Okay, 2.8. So we do know that these triangles are similar. So this was also 2.8. So these basically were all equal to each other. 70 over 25 equals 84 over 30 equals 42 over 15. So they are similar. So I'm going to write up here, let's just write it similar. And it says, so state how you know they're similar and complete the similarity statement. So I'm just going to do this one to complete the similarity statement. They're similar because all the sides are proportional. I'm not going to write that out for this. So the only thing we got to do here, we just got to make sure we go in the right order. So you see how it goes T, U, V? We have to go in the same order. So T is right here. What angle here matches T? And hopefully you can tell that it would be Q. These angles, it doesn't say it's 90 degrees, it looks like it's about 90 degrees. These are the ones that are the same. So when we do this, T will match Q. And we just gotta go in the same order. What does U match? So U U is right here. So the smallest angle is R here. So Q, R, and last one is V, which would be S. So QRS. Oh, and I should have put a little triangle symbol in there. But triangle TUV is similar, that's what this symbol means here, this little symbol. It's similar to QRS, the triangle QRS. Okay, so I just went over number 7. I'm going to go over number 8 as well, just so you guys see that. Okay. So I feel like what this triangle, what this problem is asking is the triangle, say, EFG, is that similar to ECB? So let's work on that. So one thing we know is that no matter what, okay, so this, it's saying this angle here, this angle here, this is just kind of like a bit of a mess here, because they have these 3 lines here, but they don't show what it equals. We want G to equal B, but they don't say that. They don't have the same symbols here. We want F to match C, but this has 2 marks and this has 1. We do know, I guess I have to use 4 because all the others are used. We do know that this angle here has to be the same as this angle here, but I don't think that gives us enough information to actually say that these triangles are similar. So for this one, I'm just going to say no, or let's say not similar. What we'd actually like, I think what it was going for is, you know, like you'd have some sort of, you know, triangle like this. Just keep in mind I'm using a mouse, so it won't be pretty. But I think what they were going for was that, you know, this angle always has to match this angle over here. Those are vertical angles. And what they'd have to say is that, you know, this angle here would have 2 tick marks. This angle here would have 2 tick marks. And then over here we'd have 3. And over here we'd have 3. This is kind of what we need to say that they're equal. Although they wouldn't actually have to show you. This wouldn't have to be here. That didn't work. Okay. Well, these 2 wouldn't have to be there. So let's just pretend those triangles are still there. I ended up missing the one I erased. But as long as you just see that for this one, the angles just don't end up matching up. So that's why it's not similar.